my loves. Okay, so today's video is a DIY. I feel like it's been a while since I've done a DIY video, and I love how this one came out. I guess you could call it a Mickey wreath, but I use like this really nice board that I found at like Michael's for like $4 or something like that. And I just got the flowers from the dollar store, and I made my vision come to life, and it looks so gorgeous on my front door. Like, you don't even know. Well, you'll see that at the end of the video. But if you guys want to know how to make this really simple and easy DIY, then just keep on watching. First, you will need a board or wreath of your choice, an assortment of flowers, a hot glue gun, some extra glue sticks, and some scissors. Now just break off your flowers and lay them on top of your board. Now just start outlining the way you want your wreath to look. You could either trace this or outline it with a pencil, but I just eyeballed it and I just love how it came out in the end. Now remember, you could use whatever color flowers you like, you know, just do what you want with this. The ball's in your court and just have fun with it. But like I said, if you guys do recreate this, please tag me in photos. I would love to see your recreation. Now it's time for the ears. Now, like I said, you guys could use any colors that you like. I am using white because I love the way that these colors come together. Now I'm just adding a few accent pieces. This is totally optional, but I think that it needed a little more decoration, so I added these and it looks perfect. I just love how this came out. If you guys recreate this, please tag me in photos. I would love to see your recreations. Alright my babies, and that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell. And guys, if you do recreate this, as always, please tag me in photos. I would love to see your recreations. You guys don't have to use the exact colors that I use, obviously. Just take it and run with it. Do what you will. I would love to see how it comes out. You know, just have fun with it. It's a craft, it's a DIY, you know. The ball's in your court, so I would love to see if you guys recreate this. And with all of that said, until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.